No-hit product in foreign trade? Don't miss this truck. Exported to South America, Africa, Central Asia, and other developing regions. This self-loading mixer truck is here. We have CE and 3 major system certs, quality meets international standards, fully automated operation, adapts to remote sites and tough terrain, multi-purpose, replaces small mixing plants, a cost-saving tool for overseas projects. Direct from factory, custom, and bulk orders. Foreign trade bosses, don't worry about opportunities. Opportunity is right here. Act now.